Hello, petals. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yes, so yesterday was Friday and we did our spiritual beauty ritual. You got to see my beautiful face. Listen, if I don't believe it, then ain't nobody else going to believe it. No, I truly do believe that, so I don't care what anybody says. So today, we're going to be doing some more. And I forgot to tell you guys why I was even on a hiatus. First off, vacation time or whatever. Holiday time, excuse me, because I ain't on no vacation. I have lost a job, so, With that being said, it is what it is, champ. It is what it is. Anywho's, good things come to those who wait. And I've been looking, but ain't nothing come in between time. And I already knew they was going to be doing all these layoffs because Heifer was home and barely in the office and basically working part-time. So, this is a lot was going on this past week. Well, actually 2 weeks. So, yeah. But I'm back on here now, and things will work itself out. That's all I know. Just keep the faith. That's all I have to do. And yeah, let's get to this. Yeah. So I'm just shuffling these cards here, cleaning them off from yesterday. I cleaned them last night, of course. I closed the deck out. I closed the tarot readout before I laid in my bed. And, ate some more turkey. And stuffing. The stuffing was so good. I put my foot in it. And I wanted to go out Thanksgiving night and like prepare plates and stuff and to hand out to the homeless and stuff like that. But I didn't want no citation. And, nobody saying that you poisoned them or nothing like that. So we're going to hold that off until Christmas time so I can buy some pre-packaged items like snacks, like chips, the open up soup thingies, things that they don't have to really worry about heating up or worry about somebody tampering with. People are wicked out here, and I wouldn't blame them if I was homeless. I wouldn't want nobody else's pre-made food from out their house either, unless it came from like a center or like a shelter or something like that. I wouldn't want it either. I wouldn't want to eat it. So I get it, because I looked up the laws out here as far as that's concerned. Because me and my daughter used to do that in New York. We would, her school would give us prepackaged meals that they couldn't get rid of at the end of the day. And, they'd be like, oh, you couldn't, they would have a whole basket out in the front, like, oh, asking the parents to take it home and stuff like that. Nobody was taking them home. So I asked the director, I said, can I take them and hand them out to people? She was like, yeah, they prepackaged. And it didn't click my head this Thanksgiving that what she said, that they were prepackaged. So I was like, yeah, I can't go outside, handing out foil or saran wrap plated foods of my food, just because, I want to do something nice. I can get in trouble for that. So we didn't wind up doing it. Yeah, and y'all probably like, wait a minute, did she just say she wants a job? Or she just like going on and on and on and on? Yeah, because you know what? Life goes on. And I ain't going to dwell over it. It's what it is. I already knew what was going to happen. A lot of us knew what was going to happen at my job, so it's like, whatever. It is what it is. Time to collect the unemployment, baby. No, but seriously, though. So, yeah, it is what it is. And, so, before we start our read, I wanted to come to you guys with this. Aha, look at that. So these was ones that I had from the office, and I had brought them home a while ago, and I'm going to repot them. Repot this one here. I have a spider plant too. I'm going to repot. I got from one of the managers in there. I'm going to repot it with this one right here that we already had home, which also came from the office as well, but I already had this one. It was like nothing there, like sprouted. Look how big it's gotten. Look at that. Look at you doing this thing. You're so cute. So I'm going to repot them all into one. I probably just put them all into this one. There's nothing wrong with the dirt. Clearly the dirt is healthy because old girl here is popping out of it. So we're gonna repot this. Excuse me. I'm gonna have in water here, bottle water, or bottle of water, into this one right here. Yeah. So I'm really excited for Christmas. Well, I don't celebrate Christmas. I celebrate Kwanzaa, but I'm really excited for that time, the Kwanzaa and Christmas around that time, because we get to go out and, you know, help feed the homeless and do the shelter stuff, and signing my daughter up to go hand out food and stuff. My daughter's really excited to do that as well as I am. I just like doing stuff like that. I don't know. You know, I've had my trying times too, as I've expressed to you guys. And we're going to have some story times about me, you know, and who I am, where I come from, and where I'm trying to go. We already see where I'm trying to go. But, y'all don't know the full. So we won't be saying all of that because, you know, you can't tell your left hand what your right hand is doing. You damn sure can't tell your right hand what your left hand is doing, because that ain't none of their damn business. Hold on, let me turn my window down. It's getting cold in here. I was doing the Palo Santo, and I cleaned our space here. I cleaned off my altar space next to it. I cleaned off my Seven African Powers altar as well as I cleaned the Kwanzaa table as well. Give me a second. I am back. So let me put some gloves on real quick. I'm tired of washing my hands. It's dry. I got the food, some more leftovers in the kitchen on the stove, already heated up. So when I'm done doing this, I can eat and then head out. I'm going to the mall today. Not really the mall area, because there's a Home Depot over there, and we need some more spray, the indoor-outdoor raid. I'll get some more of that. Not that we have any problems, but I don't want no problems, because you guys know we have a whole big-ass garden in the kitchen, and I don't want no issues at all. Everybody stay in their place. You know, ain't no food out here. I don't leave no garbage. I don't leave no dishes in the sink. Period. I just don't do it. Alright. I guess I can use some of this paper here. I use 2 pieces of paper. That's what I mess. I don't even need 2 pieces, but I just don't want to mess. Okay, guys. So I already moistened this up the other day. I'm gonna use the same dirt. The same I'm just gonna open it up. Put this dirt up because it's healthy. It's healthy dirt. Clearly it's healthy. And I filed my nails last night. Was it last night or the night before? I think it was the night before. I don't even want no dirt inside my hands. I'm tired of washing my hands. This is healthy dirt. If it wasn't healthy, nothing would grow in it. So, let's see, these roots ain't looking too good. Look, I got a new root coming out there, guys. You see that? A little root there. So I'm gonna push this down in there. Make a bigger hole. Get that in there good. Let me pour some of that out. And then I'll make a bigger hole. And yeah, so if you guys wouldn't mind start leaving some comments, I would love to hear what you guys have to say about the videos. You know, ask me questions. I don't care, you know. Come on, guys. Come on, come on. Come on. I didn't even know they had another little baby at the bottom of it. Try not to cover it. Okay. Yes, come on, guys. Talk to me. So I was singing to y'all. Come and talk to me. I really want to meet you guys. Yeah, say hi. Say hello. Just say hello. It'll be fine. A nice hello would be nice. Nice little hello. How you doing? How you doing, princess? Hey, Petal. Something like that, you know. Oh, how did you guys like that ritual we did last night? Hope you guys enjoyed it. I told you I would be showing my face. Not because I got canned. Hmm. Anybody from there, they know my voice, so they be able to tell me too, so it don't matter. I don't care. I just was shy. It was a little shy. It was a little shy. I'm not shy at all, trust me. At first, when I first get to meet someone, like, I'm just quiet. I'm quiet. I'm observing you and stuff like that, but I'm not shy at all. Very boisterous. Yeah. So we already planted that. I'm going to water it and let it sit in the kitchen sink. I'm gonna water it, let it sit in the kitchen sink, and I'll be back with that read. Be right back. Alright guys, I am back. Is somebody going out of state? Be careful when you're driving or on that airplane. Be careful, the people around you. I don't know where that came from, but yeah. Just be careful of the people that's around you. Okay? And the people you're traveling with. All y'all be safe out there. Be safe out there. I hate taking long road trips. Especially driving to Georgia, 16 hours. Like, oh my gosh. It take me that long because I be getting lost. And I don't like it. Shit. Space. So, where's my book at? I prepared this last night while I was in the bed. So that was our activity earlier. We repotted our plant. Another one, another addition to the family. Just added with the other one that was already here. Yes, okay. So I prepared this last night for the earth signs, which is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Yes. When they kept coming up last night, was it Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn that kept coming up? We're going to read for the asses today. We're going to see what it is. Okay, so we're doing earth signs today, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. And the first card out for Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn is the Ten of Pentacles, upright. They kept coming in no. Okay. So it says family ties, financial security, abundance, and material wealth. Love and good health is what the Ten of Pentacles is given. Or it could be feeling euphoria. It could be feeling euphorious about being one with the earth and all things spiritual. Either way, you're bursting with sunshine and happiness. Keep shining, boo. Okay. I'm trying to get this girl up, but we gotta head out of here at 11:30. Okay. Right, earth signs, keep shining. Let's get another card out. Okay, earth signs. Card from out the middle. Alright, I got another card here. It says the Eight of Pentacles. And reverse, it says resistance to change, avoidance, stagnation, clinging to the past, unresolved issues, fear of letting go, denial, and baggage. The element is water. The zodiac sign is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and the season is summer. This is on this side. Remember, these reads are could be past, present, future. Whenever you see it, it is for you. Okay. big ass cards. Blow these cards up. And the next card out, the next card out to clarify for the Ten of Pentacles is the Five of Swords. It says, why all the conflict, boo? Take it easy. The leaves of love are not blowing in your direction yet. You may be having relationship drama or problems with family. As far as money, watch out for your financial disputes and losses. It's time to distress the mental strain and stay focused on your spirituality. Chaos will not win. You got this, boo. Right? It's a little contradiction to the Ten of Pentacles, but again, it's past, present, future. This could have been your past. It could be your future. It could be your present. The Ten of Pentacles, and then you have the Five of Swords for whomever, Earth sign. It's letting you guys know that to take it easy. Maybe you're doing too much in a high emotional state at this moment. And you need to focus on your spirituality. Focus on staying in tune and in line with yourself. Open up them chakras, you know what I'm saying? And let me get another card. The Nine of Pentacles came out in reverse for the Eight of Cups. And it says financial strain, neglecting, self-care, dependent, isolation, financial insecurity, loss of independence, Earth. The zodiac signs is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and the season is autumn. It's like they twinning. Okay, we need something. Let's pull another deck. Oh, where about the deck? Oh, here it goes. Let me get a deck. Let me get our Modern Witch Tarot deck out. The Devil. Alright, the Devil came out. Oops. The Devil came out. Wow. Alright, what is the Devil got to say for yourself? Devil? The Devil speaks of unhealthy habits, guys. Unhealthy habits. The upside down pentacle symbol. You see that in there? On top of his head. Speaks of money, sex, power, status, pleasure. Someone being obsessed with superficial, fleeting desires. Neglecting your self-care for superficial desires. And being chained and bound by this. That's what the Devil really is saying. That's what the Devil represents. Right? Unhealthy habits that consume and control you. Okay? I do know some Capricorn. Yeah, I do know some Capricorn right now that's actually going through some stuff like that. I don't know if you're watching. You know who you are. I know you're one of my followers. One of my 10 followers. I appreciate you. Yeah. It speaks of like guilt, like being guilty, maybe family drama or something like that, feeling guilty about that. Yeah, feeling guilty, overwhelmed. That Devil card came out. We need another card. Earth sign 12. So as soon as I said that. The Knight of Swords, yeah. Fighting battles, moving forward, trying to get off from under something to get on top of something, child. Get over on something to do something better, you know? Like, that something else gotta give. Something else is coming forward, but why are you in this fight or flight mode? Remember, it says, why all the conflict? Why all the conflict with the Knight of Swords? So the Knight of Swords is basically like saying that you're bursting into the scenes. You're bursting into something. And you're rushing head on into obstacles without a second thought. Maybe you should give it a second thought before you rush into something. Ready to go. Look at her. She ready. She ready for it. She ready for whatever's coming. She ready for the shits. She ready for it. What? She said she's about the shits. What? Alright. It says, it basically is saying like the Knight of Swords doesn't give anything a second chance, a second guess. You don't second guess yourself. You're probably a bit cold at your stance and how you're coming at the situation, whatever situation it is. Okay, it could be that family situation, it could be that job or a career. A job is a job, because you guys don't know, career is something that you built. Like, I'm in the medical field. This last job that I just left just now, that wasn't the medical field. That was something I took when we moved out here to Jersey. And it was good for us at the time. It ain't no more. But a job is a job, a career is a career. I have a career in the medical field, not in sales or real estate, because that's what I was doing. But my career for, over 15 years has been the medical field. So maybe it's a career. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know. But I'm feeling like family. Family, money. Maybe you're staying with a family member, or family members are staying with you. And they're like taking, but they ain't got nothing to give. And they always complaining in your shit. I don't know. I don't know where that came from. I don't know. And you're done with it. You're like, you got to get the hell up out of here. I don't give a fuck how cold it sounds. You take you and your raggedy ass kids and come up out my house. Come out my hood. I don't know. So whatever this is, it's leaving you feeling imbalanced and unprepared for what lies ahead. Something's coming and then you don't feel ready for it. It's making you feel like you're not ready. That's why you're coming at the situation like, because you don't know how else you, what you're gonna do. You don't know. I don't even know what they say with that one. You don't even know what you're gonna do with it, right? You don't know how to come about out of that situation with whatever the conflict is. I don't know why I'm getting like somebody's living in your home. Somebody's living in your home, or you're living in somebody else's home, Earth sign? I'm not sure. I don't know. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. What is going on? What is going on? Ooh, I have a love read I wanted to do too. I don't know what the hell is going on. It's early in the damn morning. I'm in here. That's why I like living by myself. And me and my daughter and my dude come over. That's it. He got his own spot. I got my own spot. He ain't ready for that type of commitment yet. At least I know he ain't. I'm not really, not just right now. You know? Jeez. Oh, yeah. The Five of Pentacles. Oh, guys, yes. You need help. You need help. Gotta stay out the cold. I think it's somebody who's living with you guys. I don't know if it's you guys staying with someone. Are you staying with someone and this is happening? I don't know. Are you staying with someone? Because the Five of Pentacles represents struggle. Excuse me, guys. Sorry. It represents struggle. Alright? The struggle and feeling like there's absolutely nothing that you can do. Your head's down. I feel like you're gonna suffer through it, but you're not gonna suffer through it because the Knight of Swords says that you're not. You're definitely not going about it the right way. Because if you're coming like Dungeon Dragons type of shit, then yeah, this is where it's at. The Five of Pentacles. Yep, and this is all clarifying for this Eight of Cups that came out in reverse, talking about resistance to change. Avoiding stagnation, clinging to the past. I know, maybe you let this person in, or maybe it's not even somebody who's living with you. Maybe just somebody that like a family member that you're dealing with. It could be a child, an older child. Yeah, maybe an eldest child. Or this is for somebody who's older, like my age, a little older than me. And you have an older child, maybe in their 20s or their late 20s, something like that. And they're struggling, but they're disrespectful as hell, and they're wanting a lot from you, but not wanting to do nothing for themselves. And or maybe you all are struggling, like the family is struggling at this time right now, and feeling like, no, the obstacles are piled up against them. The pentacles are piled up against them. The pentacles is running dry. The well is running dry. I've been there before, so like I said, I've been lived in a shelter before, so I've been homeless before. So, I don't know. I don't know. Mm. Maybe you should seek love from family members, or I don't know. I don't know. Yep, you need somebody to talk to help you get through the storm, because you're definitely going through a storm right now. All right, something going on, but not for all of you guys. Not for all of you guys. Some of you guys got that Ten of Pentacles, but financial, family, good family ties, financial security, abundance, material wealth, love, or maybe that's what you're going to come into once you come out of this Five of Swords feeling, and this Eight of Cups, and this Nine of Pentacles, and this Devil, and the Knight of Swords, and the Five of Pentacles energy. I don't know. Let me just get one more card. Let me see if I can get one more card for this deck. Taurus, Virgo. The Lovers. Shit. So not only are you... yeah, I don't know. The Lovers just not could be about a mate. It could be also family. It could be also an addiction. It could be anything that you're overindulging in and wanting to turn into the dark side to, or find, love for. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Hold on. I gotta get in the book for that one. The Lovers. Okay, so I was wrong about the Lovers. I was thinking of a different card. So the Lovers is talking about goodness, like love, abundance, having beautiful dreams of being together with someone. You're feeling and drunk in love, a little crazy in love. There might be a chance there's a few feelings of a new feelings come with a choice to make, and make, so embrace your desire. Embrace your desires and trust your heart. The Lovers represent all kinds of love, especially the love in your life, who makes you feel like you can climb mountains. You know who they are. Treasure your time with them. Walk on air and wish on shooting stars. Let your days and nights be filled with love. The Lovers card came out, guys. Interesting. Okay, I don't know. Let's clarify with the Lovers card. Let's get our deck out. Let's clarify with that Lovers card. This Lovers card be talking about. What? The Lovers card came out in the midst of all this drama. Somebody's getting their booty played in. Lovers. Okay, the Pentacles, the Ace of Pentacles. All right, so this Lovers card, this could be a new opportunity. There's a new person coming in. Or maybe it's somebody that you was crushing on. They're finally going to step up to you. Or this is just a new person, period. You don't know who this person is. It says the opportunities for new beginnings are blooming for you. Prosperity, good health, success, new ideas, and love are blossoming and success is on the way. Here comes the bloom, boo. Yes. So we're going to take that for the lovers here. Alright. Okay, so let's see what this is about here. So the Ten of Pentacles came out, talking about good family ties, relationships, money, happiness, shining, bursting your way, you shining, boo. And then the Five of Swords came out to clarify for that card, talking about conflict, like a conflict of interest with those Ten of Pentacles. Maybe you're going to be in those you're going to be in those Ten of Pentacles. Well, I had to change that up real quick. My brain said change that. You're going to get into those Ten of Pentacles. So with all of that being said, this is definitely your present. This is your present here. And this is going to be your future. And the Lovers and the Ace of Pentacles is also going to be your future. But all of this other stuff came out as your present. That's how I'm feeling. Like that is your present energy for you earth signs. It might not be all of you. It could be you're already here at the Ten of Pentacles, right? You already met your lover. You're already with your lover while you're going through this. You know what I'm saying? But then again, that doesn't make much sense. But you know, shit. Some people having that drunken love, honey. That was a good shuffle. Ooh, no, we can't do that. Get another card. The Seven of Wands says that if you're at the Seven of Wands, your garden needs some tending to. If you're feeling self-doubt, feeling like you may have to defend or set boundaries in a love situation as far as your money tree goes, you need to safeguard your financial stability and decisions regarding the bag. When it comes to your health, protect your well-being and don't be scared to go to the grow doctor for some root maintenance. Stay spiritually in tune, doll. You got this. Okay. That's to clarify for these guys over here. For all of this right here. So you're definitely going to be coming out of this feeling of stagnation, emotional baggage, could be family baggage. You're coming out of this right here. Some of you guys are here at this point right here. Y'all all over the place with the devil, your feelings. You're coming at a situation unprepared. You're not prepared. You're just coming at it, and it's not gonna go in your favor. You need to step back and think about how you're coming at this person or the situation that you're going through, and come to a realization that you need help. 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 Okay, it's okay to ask for help. It's okay to lean on other people. It's okay, even to lean on strangers. Okay, it's all right. I'm going to take one last card for the lovers. Let's see what it is. It says the Three of Pentacles came out in reverse. It says lack of teamwork, delays, criticism, mediocrity, and unfinished projects. I'm going to put this here because I'm not feeling that for the Lovers card at all. I'm going to put that right here. This Three of Pentacles. Put that right there. That's Three of Pentacles now. Yeah. That's for this side over here. That's for over there. That's, I mean, yeah, lack of teamwork. Lack of teamwork, criticism, unfinished projects. So whatever you're coming at, and maybe that's what this is here, that unfinished project, you're not coming at it the right way. That's a flower petal, guys. It fell on top of the card. You're not coming at it the right way. And you got... Basically, you come in with too much vengeance, and you're not being soft on even yourself. Let's get some oracle cards. You guys have a question? Ask the question. Let's see. So someone is working on you. Came out. Any more questions? Any more questions? Any more questions? Okay. Again, go see a doctor. Came out again. Came out last night too. For air signs. I'm going into our hood generational deck. It's not giving me anything, guys. I'm not feeling it. It's not giving me absolutely nothing. Let's go into the love one. I'll put that one down because it wasn't giving me anything. Oops. Someone's crushing on you. Remember I said that? Maybe it's a crush with this lovers stuff here. It could be a crush. That someone is, you know, like, looking for you guys. And yeah, that person is coming. So definitely, that is coming into your present energy. Someone is definitely going to be coming out of this. A few of you guys are going to be coming out of this. Some of you guys are going to be in this for a minute. And some of you guys are definitely going to come out of this stink, this funk, and you're going to be at that Ten of Pentacles, right? Whoa. What's this trying to come out? So, loser mentality. I'm going to put that right here, because that's where that belongs, right here. And loser mentality, leave that shit alone. Come out of that. Come out of that. I mean, you need to get here, but you need to get here responsibly. You need to get to the Nine of Swords responsibly, not, fuck this, fuck. No, don't go at it like that. Don't go at it like that. Trust me, don't go at it like that. It's not going to be good. And what's up with this family stuff? Is this family that you guys are staying with? All about me came out. I think so. I feel like it's family. You either are housing or they're housing you, and you guys are having a conflict of interest. Maybe someone's husband is in the house, don't want you there, or a boyfriend, a spouse, or a girlfriend, whomever, I don't know, or maybe it's vice versa. Maybe you're housing, like I said, it could be your older child with her man or his girlfriend or his children. Card fell out. If you ask the question, it's no. So I don't know. I don't know what that could be. Let me get this other little deck here. It's calling to me. It says, oh shit. It says it's okay to struggle a bit. Just keep moving forward. We want to put that there as well. Because, yeah, it's okay to just keep moving forward, guys. Keep moving forward. Okay, keep moving forward. Right. Alright, guys, we're going to end it with a Star Oracle card. What the fuck? Okay. Oh, child. Okay. Alright. Yeah, matters of the heart, guys. Matters of the heart. Yeah, matters of the heart. Yeah, y'all gotta really be careful about how you're coming at things. And so y'all can get to that Lovers card, that Ten of Pentacles, that Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, that's what you want, right? Exactly. You don't want drama. You don't want conflict. You don't want relationship problems with your family, your spouse, your loved one. You don't want your coins leaving you, right? You don't want none of that. You got any more Star Oracle cards? Nope. That got stiff. Like, it won't even want me to shuffle it no more. Alright, guys. Thank you for tuning in to Petals of the Divine. This was a lovely read. Thank you so much, guys. Take what resonates with you and leave the rest. If it doesn't resonate at all, it ain't for you. Click on another channel. That's all you got to do. Alright, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Love you. Thank you for all your support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, drop a comment, and don't forget to hit up our Petals of the Divine 11 Instagram. It's a private page. It's not open, so you have to request to become a part of the page so that way, you know, we can share stuff on there as well and talk and all of that, and share photos and stuff of that nature. There are pictures of there of me as well, doing some fashion stuff, you know, just taking pictures, period, you know. Thank you guys for tuning in. You guys can see your whole tech. Can you see your whole tech, guys? Let me push it back. Put my foot here. See the whole thing. Alright. Later, guys. Ciao, ciao.